Advanced Revenue Management Reports designed for forecast revenue purposes. Okay, so this is now the third section of our reports. We looked at revenue reconciliation reports, then we looked at expense reconciliation, and now we're looking at forecast revenue reports. There's really one. It's a summary in detail, so it's two, but it's kind of the similar report. So in the here you go, reports, revenue recognition forecast. So here's your, if you click there you get the summary, if you click there you get the daily, the detail, or you can go and just click view there to get the detail, right? So here's your summary report. You will notice that there's a forecast components option here, but you've got to open that, otherwise you won't see it. Right, so you can choose here if you want all, or if you want just maybe one of those at a time. So it kind of depends on your reporting needs. Okay, and so let's go and change that to accounting period rather than total, and then it should split it out for us per month. Okay, you will also notice that anything that's an expense, which is the other way around, comes in as negative. All right, and then if we go and click detail here, we're going to get the detail. Right, so you're going to get your customer job, which is the first column here, currency, source document type, date, element type, item name, deferred account, account in the P&L, is it recognized, status, right? So very, very, very handy report indeed. Right, so you've got your detail, and then if you want to go back to the summary, you can just go back to your summary there. Right, and then you'll see it's back to total rather than period. You can also customize these reports. The number of customizations are just staggering, so really depends on what you want, but this is really just the starting point out of the box. And to customize, you basically customize and you go save, and then you just add whatever field you need added in here into your report, but that is a discussion for another day.